Hi, I'm Rael Lee, here with Oakland Realty Northwest and Neighbors Realty Group. And I can't wait to show you this beautifully renovated 6-bedroom family home right next to me, tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac in the heart of Port Moody. Let's check this out, shall we? You're only minutes away from SFU, Costco, Safeway, YMCA, Louis Town Center, H-Mart, and even more. Whether you're looking to upsize for your growing family or simply looking for more space and comfort, this might be the lifestyle upgrade that you ever wanted. Get in touch today, and I'd love to show it to you in person. Cheers.